Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So we're going to start off, I've already prepped my nails. If you want to see how to dry manicure your nails, I have a video on that. We're then going to go in with our dehydrator and our primer. Now with your primer, obviously don't oversaturate your nails, just a little bit onto the nail itself, not on your skin or anywhere else. Don't be getting funky with it. Just to go on the nails, okay? And then we are going to go in with our base coat. So I'm just showing you on one nail, but obviously you want them on all of your nails that you are putting a gel polish on. So base coat on all your nails. Don't forget to cap the edges as well. So on our middle finger today we are doing a marble effect. So we're going to go in with a Chroma Gel. This is in French white. Now technically I didn't need to put a base coat on for the Chroma Gel. It doesn't need a base coat and it doesn't need a top coat, but I like to put it on a base coat. It just feels weird to not, and it's fine. It's fine, but I prefer to do it on top of a base coat. So we're going to go in with 2 coats of that. Between each coat, obviously cure for 1 minute in your LED lamp. Don't forget to cap the edges as well. And then we're going to go in with a third thin layer. Now we're not going to cure this layer. We are going to leave this layer wet. And this is the layer that we are going to do our water marble effect on. So once we've got a nice even thin coat of that white, this white is a very thick gel. It's a nice gel, but it's very thick gel. So we're going to grab ourselves a dotting tool, and I've distributed a small amount of black gel polish onto some tin foil. We're dipping into that gel, that black gel, and placing just a little dollop, as it were, of the black gel into your white wet gel polish. And then you're just going to feather it out. As you can see what I'm doing there, just very gently, you're just gliding. Don't dig into it, anything like that. You are just gliding the gel, the black gel, on top of the white, and it will start to spread slightly, and that will give that water marble effect. So continue doing that until you are happy with your pattern that you're doing, and then you're going to cure that in the lamp once again for a minute. After that has cured, we are then going to go in with a gold. So I've got a gold gel polish. If you wonder why that's looking lighter, it's because the black gel polish that I'm using is actually a colour changing one. So it's a heat one. So when it gets hot, it turns a light grey. So it's grey when it comes out of the lamp. Not as dark, but it doesn't go that dark because it's on my nail, so on the actual nail bed, so my hands are always warm, so it does stay a black. So with our gold, we are just popping that along some of the lines, as you can see. Well, you can't really. And then top coating it, and these are my finished nails. I did a marble, I did black, I did a gold, and I did a white with a gem on it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!